Are you ready to stop neuropathy in its tracks? Allow me to explain. Let me show you this picture to show you exactly what's happening when you have neuropathy. So right over here, you're going to see this person's foot, right? That's your foot. And then that red, that's the area that's basically in pain and the nerves are dying. Now, if you look over to the right here, you're going to see the nerve, the actual physical nerve right here. And you see those little red dots on the nerve? That's actually the myelin sheath actually dying and decaying. That's contributing to neuropathy. Now, what I want to go over right now is a lab that you want to get checked, and that's called your fasting insulin. Now, what you're looking at right here is one of my client's insulin. So you're going to see a red arrow and it's going to point to 41.8. This is massively high. Now, if we go all the way over to the right, we're going to see the lab range is 2.6 to 24.9. Now, the sweet spot is between 5 and 6. Now, this is what the research shows. If you have high insulin levels, it's going to cause 5 things in your body. First thing is your glucose is going to go up, and everyone knows that glucose causes inflammation, which is going to cause damage to your nerves. Number 2 is this increases a thing called advanced glycation end products, or A.G.E.s. In other words, what this is, these are little proteins in your bloodstream that go around and irritate your nerves. Number 3 is high insulin causes chronic inflammation, and every disease, including neuropathy, grows in a body that's inflamed. Number 4, high insulin decreases blood flow deep to your tissue in your feet and hands. So if you don't have good blood flow getting to the fingers and to your feet, you're going to have neuropathy and your myelin sheaths are going to start to degenerate and decay. If you've liked this content, please like, comment, and share this with a loved one.